Welcome, comrades! Space-time continuum has been a bumpy ride. Critical equipment for operation slightly damaged on journey. Please to be excusing mess.
Slightly? I'd hate to see severely.
Talking dog!
That is it. Way Cosmos is, if nothing bad happening from rubble not being where it's supposed to be, then rubble probably not needed in first place.
Yeah. Wait, what?
That's what you keep in your emergency supplies box?
Comrade Quill is frequent visitor to nowhere. Best to being prepared. Looks like equipment could be doing with tuna.
Hint, hint, right? How did you get this far when you can't even fix up your own equipment?
Mostly through the tail waggings and tongue blowings at gullible super persons. Now we are cooking with the gas. Cosmo will press go button once comrades are prepared.
I've got good news for you. The plan to bring in Nowhere from who knows where was successful. Admittedly, Kang got wind of the plan at the last minute and tried to send a different head-shaped planet through the portal. But that didn't deter the heroes. Ahem. Despite certain naysayers around here, the good guys have found there was a use for Nowhere. Finally, we can get rid of this bozo. This could be it. I can't believe I'm saying this. After all the mistakes they've made, but good luck, heroes! Yeah, even Spider-Man.
Warfare on this scale fills one with such a thrill of the senses. Wouldn't you agree, Ravonna? Ah, no matter. She couldn't possibly comprehend the delicate intricacies of my master plan. As for the heroes, let them come.
Thanks, Captain Marvel. We're good to go here.
Cosmo fired the EMP?
Now! Okay, shields are down, Carol.
Nova Squadron, light it up. Kang's ship! It just wiped out the whole squadron! Tony?
Yeah, we saw everything. Kang must have teleported it in from outside of Chronopolis. I'm taking my team to intercept now.
Okay, Quill, we're coming up fast. Get ready to jump.
So where's the entrance?
We make one.
All right, guys, we're in. Let's head to the main bridge.
Got it.
What have we here? Some Avengers trying to stop my inevitable triumph. How utterly amusing.
With great power comes great responsibility. And occasionally cool stuff like this.
Okay, now where are we?
And what's that King robot doing with that generator?
Sort of looks like he's drawing energy from it. That's a neat trick.
That monorail tube is our ticket to the bridge. But we need to get past our glowing friends if we want to use it.
Hey, I'm not just amazing or spectacular. I'm pretty useful too.
This looks promising. Maybe we can hack into Mr. Blue Guy's systems from here. shields are down. Let's go get them.
Business?
Nice work, Webhead.
All aboard! People still say that on Earth, right?
So, Tony, bet you wish you had Thor or Hulk along for the ride?
Hey, the last thing I need is a raging Hulk. Right now, I need your spider senses. And Star-Lord's...
Bravo! Bravo! I applaud your fortitude. Your tactics were audacious.
Now! Hologram.
Well, if we can't hurt him, he can't hurt us.
No, but I can plummet this ship into the ground. Now, you must excuse me. I will leave you with a parting gift. Meet Korvac. If the crash doesn't obliterate you, he surely will.
Not good. Korvac is one with the power cosmic. He's pretty much a god.
Okay, now I wish I had a Hulk.
You loathsome beings! I'm going to enjoy my role in your imminent demise.
Anyone, but how much sky do you think we got left?
He's almost beaten, but we gotta be running out of time.
So close. Almost there.
Hey, where did he go?
Warning. Impact imminent.
Who knows, but we're leaving too.
Okay, I know Kang just crashed it, but if anyone asks, it was all us.
Oh.
It seems my arena of war has finally unveiled opponents worthy to face the mighty Kang. Delightful. It would be a pity if they perished too swiftly. Victory must be savored. I am
Okay, Doc. It's up to us now. That Citadel's wide open. Let's bring this king down a notch or two.
By the eye of Agamotto, let us be victorious.
Kang Citadel defenses are down. Looks like there's some kind of teleporter near the top. That should be your way in.
Roger that, Wasp.
That won't be a problem for me. But you may need to call in some transport for this one, Captain Rogers.
Good point, Doc. Hey, Wasp, you think we could get a...
Way ahead of you. Quinjet incoming.
Thanks. Then let's end this once and for all.